2025 Can-Am Ryker, a thrilling three-wheel experience. The 2025 Can-Am Ryker is here, and it's better than ever. This three-wheel motorcycle continues to push boundaries, offering an exciting combination of power, stability, and affordability. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner looking to experience the thrill of the open road, the Ryker is designed to meet your needs. In this article, we'll dive into the features, performance, design, and why this model stands out in the 2025 lineup. Bold and customizable design. One of the most appealing aspects of the Can-Am Ryker is its customization. The 2025 model introduces new color options, graphics, and trims that allow riders to personalize their three-wheeler like never before. With adjustable handlebars and foot pegs, it ensures a comfortable ride for people of all sizes. The sporty, low-profile stance adds an aggressive look, making it a head-turner on the streets. Powerful performance with Rotax engines. Performance has always been a key highlight of the Ryker, and the 2025 model is no different. It continues to offer two engine options. 600cc Rotax twin-cylinder, ideal for beginners or city riders looking for a smooth and efficient ride. 900cc Rotax triple-cylinder, perfect for those who crave more power and acceleration for thrilling highway rides. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT), ensuring smooth power delivery without needing to shift gears manually. The twist-and-go mechanism makes it incredibly user-friendly. Improved handling and stability. Unlike traditional motorcycles, the three-wheel configuration provides extra stability, making it a great option for new riders. The low center of gravity and enhanced suspension system offer responsive handling, whether you're cruising on highways or taking sharp corners. The rear mono-shock suspension ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. Advanced safety features. Can-Am has prioritized safety with the 2025 Ryker by including Vehicle Stability System (VSS), a combination of ABS, traction control, and stability control for superior grip. Anti-lock braking system (ABS) prevents wheel lock-up during emergency braking. Traction Control System (TCS) ensures better control, especially on wet or slippery surfaces. These features make it a safe and confidence-inspiring ride, perfect for both experienced and first-time riders. Technology and connectivity upgrades. The 2025 Ryker embraces modern technology with an updated digital display, providing real-time information such as speed, fuel levels, and navigation. Riders can also connect their smartphones via Bluetooth for music streaming and GPS navigation, making every ride more enjoyable. Affordability and accessibility. One of the biggest advantages of the Can-Am Ryker is its affordable price point. Unlike traditional motorcycles or high-end three-wheelers, it provides an entry-level option for riders who want to experience the thrill of the road without breaking the bank. Its automatic transmission and easy-to-ride nature make it a great choice for beginners. Final thoughts. The 2025 Can-Am Ryker is a game-changer in the three-wheel motorcycle industry. With its bold design, powerful performance, advanced safety features, and modern technology, it's a great option for anyone looking to explore the road in a unique and exciting way. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend adventurer, the Ryker promises an unforgettable ride. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the 2025 Can-Am Ryker? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest rides.